Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to learn about order of adjectives. In the last videos we have found different kinds of adjectives and we came to know adjectives are used to modify a noun or a pronoun. Here in this video we'll find how to make use of these adjectives. Very rarely we'll be using three adjectives in a sentence. Here, these adjectives, sometimes the order can be changed, usually to emphasize something. Today we shall learn what is the order to be followed when three or more than three adjectives are used to modify a noun or a pronoun. Generally, we find adjectives denoting attributes usually occur in specific order. Order like first comes determiner like a, an or the, and next followed by quantity of number. The number it specifies 1, 2, 3 like that. Quality or opinion, that opinion we form or frame upon something. Size, age, shape, color, place of origin, material, purpose or qualifier. If we make these all together, we get a OSASCOMP. It is an acronym which will help us to arrange all adjectives in an order in a sentence. Examples of adjectives of order. The first comes opinion if we keep the determiner and number aside. Opinion unusually or lovely, beautiful, these all the remarks what we make upon something is called as opinion. Size or physical quality comes as big, small, tall, thin, rough, untidy, all this comes under size or physical quality. Age, young, old, like shape, round, square, rectangle. Color will come as blue, red, pink. Origin, Dutch, Japanese, Turkish. Material, metal, wood, plastic. Purpose, cleaning, hammering, cooking, washing. Like that we can make use of these adjectives in a sentence. Here we find the order of adjectives in a sentence. First comes opinion, second size, third age, fourth shape, fifth color, sixth origin or nationality we can say, seventh material and eighth purpose. So its acronym is OSASCOMP. Observe this example. It is my favorite big old square blue Italian wool doormat. Here number of adjectives are used, more than 3 we can say. Here favorite, it becomes the opinion. So this adjective is the opinion adjective. So first comes opinion adjective. Next is followed by OSASCOMP, that is size. Size is big, age is old, shape is square. Color is blue, origin is Italian, material is wool, and the doormat is a noun what we are mentioning. So all these except the favorite adjective, remaining all are called as fact adjectives. So first opinion adjective should be present, followed by fact adjectives. Here are some more examples. Using OSASCOMP we can make arrangement of adjectives. In some sentences more than 3 adjectives are used, in some 3 adjectives are used. If you observe the first sentence, she was a beautiful, tall, thin, young, black-haired Scottish woman. Here beautiful is the opinion what we are making. Then it is followed by fact adjectives. That is tall, thin is saying about the size, young is saying about age, black-haired is about the color and Scottish is the origin. Like that the remaining sentences are arranged. What an amazing little old Chinese cup and saucer. A disgusting pink plastic ornament. A wonderful old Italian clock. Usage of 3 or more than 3 adjectives in front of a noun is unusual. If you observe this example, I love that really big old green antique car that always parked at the end of the street. Here, all these adjectives are specifying a noun here. So it's very rare usage. When there are 2 or more adjectives that are from the same group, then the word and should be added between the adjectives. Like, the house is green and red. Green and red are specifying the color, so they should be separated by and. If you see the other example, the library has old and new books. Old and new are specifying the age of the same, so they should be separated by and. When there are 3 or more adjectives from same adjective group, then we have to place a comma between here. We live in the big green, white and red house at the end of the street. Here green, white, red are all the same group of adjectives. So green and white first 2 adjectives should be separated by comma, and second and third should be added with and. My friend lost a red, black and white watch. Red and black and white are all the colors, so they should be separated by a comma. A comma is not placed between an adjective and a noun. It is placed only between the adjectives. Here is an activity for you to use acronym OSASCOMP and arrange these adjectives in an order. I hope this video might have made you to understand how to arrange the adjectives when they are used more than 3 in a sentence. Do like, share and subscribe my channel and leave your comment below in the comment box. Thank you.